Hi, my name is Lakeisha Davis. I'm the MTSS facilitator here at Cross Creek High School, and I'm here today to talk about my pumpkin spice cupcakes. So I love to bake for my family at Thanksgiving time. I am the one who makes all the cupcakes, the pound cakes. I don't do pies, but I love a good cake or a muffin. So this is the pumpkin spice cupcake, and it's got pureed pumpkin in it, allspice, cinnamon, brown sugar. It's very rich. It's almost like a gingerbread, but not quite. It's definitely gonna give you a lot of sweet and spice in it, and it's a buttercream frosting on top because everybody loves buttercream. It takes a lot of time. Like, this was pureed pumpkin. Sometimes we do different bakes with sweet potatoes, so a lot of mashing, a lot of playing with different flours, different spices, because that's what makes the pastry really pop out. First time I baked with my grandfather as a little kid, so he was the one that actually started me baking. He owned a restaurant, and he would always let me do at least one dish, even though it was terrible at the time. So whether it was iced wrong, it was crooked, we always put it out on the table with everybody else's desserts.
That's good.